Hey y'all, we are back with another install. This is just a pillow back here. I know y'all don't care. I'll just say it because my chair hard. I actually need a new chair. I'm trying to find where I put the wig. How am I gonna come on here and do a video? I ain't got a wig. Alright, so here's the wig. It's a body weight wig. It's been in the package. It's been literally in that package since I unboxed it. So today's a Saturday and I'm doing this install. I'm trying to have one of them easy install days. With me adjusted the band in the back, the center is very secure, but I'm just going to secure it down all the way around. You can wear it with the band by itself, especially if like you in a rash or something, but I ain't doing that. I'm going to secure it down because I want to do like a style or something today. So we're just going to use this brush to detangle the hair because like I said, it has been a minute since I did the unboxing for this hair, and it's nice and thick. I like it. So it's super thick, it's super soft, and look at this, y'all see that part in space, but this unit comes pre-plucked, you know, pre-cut, pre-bleached. So this is what the lace looks like, you know, without it being laid down. Very much transparent, but we gonna make all this dissipate. Okay, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna go in with my cream foundation in the level 12. I use the darkest shade, so I'm gonna take my little brush and just dab this all on the lace, and you're just gonna pretty much act like it's a coloring book. That's it, and color it in. I thought I had 2 clips. Oh, I do. So we're gonna use the clippies. Y'all probably like, I know she not getting excited over a clip. And these. Alright, so we're just gonna pull this back. So yeah, I got me a popsicle stick. I'm gonna use this to help spread this around, so I won't have to use my finger. But I'm gonna work in sections, so I'm just gonna work from the middle, and then we're gonna do the outside. So we're gonna spread one layer right here, like that, and I'm gonna use my popsicle stick to spread it in the area. And most of the time I just push that product back into the hairline like that. Now I'm gonna have to get used to it because I'm used to using my hand. To spread the product around. Take my blow dryer on a cool heating setting. Y'all, I don't even know if I was recording because my camera cut out on me, so I don't know where we left off. We're gonna have to put some more adhesive under here because all of this did not lay down. So I'm just gonna pull it back and lightly push the nozzle down halfway. Oh no, not all of that. And just place this under the lace. Now I'm gonna take the back of my comb and just press it down. Press the press the lace down into that product, and it should flatten itself out like this. And especially once I put that melt band on, it's gonna be a wrap. It is gonna be a wrap. Sometimes I like to break up the sides, so I'll just do this section to this section, and then this section to this section. Oh, why did I spray all of that? See that? I wish they just had like a different method of the nozzle, because it's like if you push that so hard, the product is coming out. You gotta be very, very light-handed. And I'd say if you are a beginner, I definitely recommend you using lace spray over lace glue. Lace glue is more difficult than lace spray. Definitely do not But this is looking good. It's giving scalp. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. Alright, so now we're just going to do this last little section. I'm just going to go back in the areas that lifted up. That's why I don't like using warm air. I ain't even going to hold y'all. Every time I use warm air, it be drying so quick and it don't be sticking. So that's why I use cold air and it dries slowly and not too quick. And now I'm just gonna spray some on my finger. I should spray some of this popsicle stick. Like that, and then press it. I'm dropping it all on my clothes. And just pressing onto the hairline. Just to help everything blend in better. Alright, so I finished both sides. I finished this side off camera. Alright, so I've let this sit for a good 20 minutes. Alright, so this is what she giving right now. I didn't even I was sitting up on TikTok. I need to stop. Like, the way I have been on TikTok lately has been ridiculous. So I was thinking about going live and like doing a wig install, but it would have to be I would have to know what I'm doing, because I would be on live all day doing my hair, because I would be talking and not doing it. That would be cool though for me to do, but I probably would do it on like a synthetic wig because it's already styled. Like if I had to style it and come up with a style, baby, we finna be there all day. I remember one of my subbies, they was like, you was capping when you said, I'll burn myself. You was capping when you said you was gonna do a makeup tutorial. I sure enough was, because I definitely didn't do it last year. I definitely did not. I was supposed to do it before the year was out, and I just didn't. And like I said, last year was crazy for your girl. I'm gonna do that hairstyle because I thought that was super duper cute. Put some curls in it. But yeah, we're just gonna put a little bit of baby hairs in there. I'm just gonna cut at an angle, and I'm gonna curl up the baby hairs. And I always say go longer first and trim, because if you cut your baby hairs too long, I don't know what to tell you, because you out of luck. Ain't no coming back from short baby hairs. I used to always cut them too short and then wonder why they look like who, what, and why. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of my Got To Be Food spray on my edge brush, and I'm just gonna swoop dupe these baby hairs into position. Let's get into formation. I don't like the ends thick looking, so I swear I do this a bunch of times before I like it. And y'all, this this mini flat iron, baby, when I tell you it heats up so quick, it is on go, bro. It was like, we ready. These other utensils you got, it take forever for everything to heat up. I don't know, I wanted to do like some loose curls. I'm gonna see, because I actually like this look, but then I feel like the body waves just don't look uniform, if that makes sense. Like it's cute, but it doesn't look uniform. Got a little bit of my Beyond the Zone heat protectant spray. I'm gonna spray it on the hair. I'm trying to figure out which way I want this to sit. Away from my face? like this. That's cute. I wish I did it a little bit more up here. So yeah, overall, I'm gonna give this unit a 9.5 out of 10. Love everything down to the quality of the hair. I love how it feels. I love how it definitely holds a curl. Because like I said, for this length, I love the density. Now I did get shading with this unit. I didn't do no plucking with this unit at all. None. Zero. No plucking, no bleaching of the knots or nothing. And look how everything looks. Y'all see how crispy and clean and scalp like this looks? And I've done literally nothing. Okay, I just put it on my head, tint the lace with some foundation, and styled it. If y'all are looking for a wig where you got to do barely nothing to get these results, baby, Nadula got you. Hands down, Nadula got you. So I will leave, my rubber band is showing right there. But I will leave all the information in regards to this wig listed down in the description section below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And until my next one, your girl. See you later. Bye, guys.